Swimming the individual medley is not easy. You must be good at all four strokes, or at least not have a very weak stroke. But you can always tell when someone slows down in their weakest stroke, usually breaststroke. To get good at your weakest stroke requires a lot of time and practice, but there's one thing that you can get better at more quickly: transitions. Transitions in the individual medley are a weakness that many people have that normally we don't think on improving, but you can drop a couple of seconds if you get them right. Usually, and this goes for normal flip turns too, beginners slow down in the turn. In fact, they slow down before the turn. I suggest you speed up before entering a transition or a flip turn. To practice this, it's not enough to just start from behind the flags and swim to a fast turn. You must practice this every time you swim, because one of the reasons we slow down is fatigue. And during a race, you will be fatigued, and you won't have time to think of any of this. We unconsciously think, there's a wall, so I will get a mini rest for my arms and legs while I glide and push off the wall. So, to get good at speeding up in the flip turns or the transitions, you need to repeat to yourself, good, there's a wall. I'll speed up and gain some advantage on my competitors. Then, use the last two strokes to get yourself close to the wall fast, and use your core to bring your legs to the wall and push off as hard as you can, to then do some dolphin kicks or breaststroke pullout and do a few quick, effective strokes. We have talked about all these transitions, so I'll put a playlist at the end where you can learn each transition, especially the backstroke to breaststroke, which is the most challenging. But now, let's see some racing strategies that I suggest for each type of swimmer. If you're a butterflyer, you need to go out in front, so push yourself a little more than your competitors, just enough to get ahead. Put in a lot of effort in your weakest stroke, which is usually breaststroke or backstroke, and give everything you have left on the freestyle part. If you're a backstroker, use the easy speed of the dive to get you to a comfortable but fast butterfly. Don't get too far behind butterflyers. Then, push yourself on the backstroke and get ahead of them. I know that your weakest stroke is probably breaststroke, so don't let them catch you before the freestyle. If you're a breaststroker, you have a secret weapon. Try to stay close to everyone on the first half of the race and then blow past them in the breaststroke, and they won't have enough energy to catch you on the freestyle. If you're a freestyler, do you even swim individual medley? I don't think so. I'm kidding. You're probably used to going out fast in the butterfly, but I suggest going easy on the butterfly and try to stay with everyone on the backstroke and breaststroke to get a chance to beat everyone on the freestyle. Remember, don't slow down on the transitions. Get to the wall quickly and use the momentum to get some advantage on your competitors. You can rest on the wall when you're done. Let me know if you have any questions on the comment section below. If you want inspiration, swimming merch, or swimming workouts, check out our webpage. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Swim fast!